It was crazy how fast this thing worked. You know, I think it might have even been quicker. I just happened to notice it last night that, I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell, but I was like, wait a minute, why is everything getting gold? I was walking along here at night, and I kind of noticed it. So, I mean, this stuff really kicked ass. I mean, the thing is, yeah, I put down also the Jonathan Green, crabgrass control and weeds or whatever, but I think it's the other stuff that really kicked it in. There was a little bit of light rain. Yeah, some of these things, I should have pulled out, but I was like, let me see if they'll actually work. And so far, so good, because you see, listen, I was infested here, all over the place. Yeah, so big. Still waiting on, looks like this thing got hit. It's already browning out. Now, the difference is they say that this stuff hits like the roots. So, very impressive. Probably another good rain might even get it in there more. I don't know.